named on the Bekal Nag Devta, one of the gods, okay, the serpent god. Okay, we all know serpent, right?
Yeah.
So there is one temple constructed over there. Earlier there used to be a temple, a priest used to come there to pray. So once when he was sleeping in his cottage at night, he got a dream that the Bekal Nag Devta is calling him inside the lake. So early morning next day he did his prayers and everything like regular, and he came and he took a dip inside the lake. He went inside the lake and he found that there is a temple inside. And when he went to the temple, he saw that the Nag Devta is residing over there. So the Nag Devta told him, "What do you want?" Like he was ready to grant his wish. So he said, "What do you want?" But since this guy was a priest, he said, "I am a priest. I don't have any wishes, but my family they have lots of needs." So the Nag Devta said, "Okay, all your needs will be fulfilled. All your family's needs will be fulfilled. There's only one condition. When you go out from this lake, when you proceed towards your home, make sure you don't turn back, or else all the wishes will be taken away." Clear? So the priest started proceeding towards his home. So what Sunil Bhai told us is that this lake, the water of this lake gets drained in Ratgaon village, which is on the other side. Okay, on a clear day you can see the Ratgaon village. So from inside only he was proceeding. Now on the way the priest started becoming rich. Ornaments started appearing on his body, clothes, silken robes and everything started appearing on his body. So he slowly started getting rich, and his family started getting palaces and all as he was walking. But when he was walking, he suddenly heard the sound of conch shell. You know conch shell?
Yeah.
The shank.
Yeah.
Conch shell and drums and people dancing and making noises. He started hearing it loudly. So suddenly he turned back, and as soon as he turned back, all the ornaments and all the silken robes, everything disappeared, and he became back to normal. Okay, so that is the story. He turned back, so all of his riches were taken away. And if you go to the Ratgaon village, there you'll see there is a field. Okay, a field. The field is shaped in the form of a serpent, right? Like how a serpent is moving. It is shaped in that form. So it is believed that the Nag Devta also exited this place from that same place, Ratgaon.
He exited from here and went
From the lake, and he went away, and he went towards Ratgaon. That's why the shape is there from wherever he passed.
Okay.
Okay, and this lake, the Nag Devta only brought this lake here when he appeared to this place. He brought the lake along with him on his forehead. He was carrying it. Okay, clear? So on a clear day, there is a temple on the other side. We can go and see it. So visibility is starting to get little better. Do you see that ridge over there, the snow?
Right.
Right. Kind of thing. And then there's a dry ridge over here coming down from the left hand side. Just between those where the saddle is there, that's where the temple is. Okay, we'll be able to see it on a clear day.
Somebody doing some puja or thing in the thing.
What?
Other day, in the clear day, somebody will do puja there.
Yeah, there is a Baba who stays in this place, Bekal Tal.
Okay.
He keeps going up. He's from Baba Ratgaon se. That Baba is from Ratgaon, that same place. He's become an ascetic. He's left all his home and all. He'll keep praying and wandering here and there.
जन्माष्टमी के दिन होती है यहाँ पर पूजा।
जन्माष्टमी के दिन भी होती है, कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी.
Okay.